gosh, I'm so tired of being grounded, and in my room I know I'll steal an aeroplane. Time to jump in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time to go steal an aeroplane. Okay, let's go. I made it, now time to run into the plane.
Little girl, you can't go in the plane.
Ha 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 ha. I'm away now to fly away from smelly Boris and Doris and Caillou forever. Oh no.
Rosie, how dare you steal a plane from the airport and crash?
But I didn't do it this time.
Rosie, how dare you lie to me? That's it, you're grounded for 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 years when you get home from the hospital.